upside down.
Oh! Alright, that's enough of that one.
And we are doing the gourmet spicy noodle challenge, and this was tagged, or like we got tagged by JustLikeAli to do this challenge. And what you do is, well, we're doing it a little differently. We have a dice, and then we have 6 different spices, and we have the spice that it came with, but that's what we're putting in first. And I'm going to roll the dice and say I got a 3. Then I'm going to pick out 3 different names, and they all have the names of the spices, and then say I get the Dave's instantly sauce, insanity sauce, and I have to do 3 shakes of that. Well, like 3 shakes each of whatever you get. So first we're going to add in our spices for our ramen noodle.
Which is supposedly hot in itself, isn't it?
Yeah. Wait, how many turns do we get? Just 1?
Yeah.
Oh.
Coming from the person who cried over a buffalo chicken bite.
Right. Oh.
Gracie's about to cry.
That's why we
No, I'm
have
not.
the tissues.
What's it smell? It smells like, ew, it smells like milk.
It does not smell appetizing.
Not at
It
all.
looks like chili peppers.
Yeah. It probably
So wait,
is.
what's the prize if I win?
Yes, and then then it's
Bragging
a race
rights.
to see who can eat it all after we roll the dice.
And if you stop because you can't handle it, then you're out,
Oh!
obviously.
It smells like Chinese buffet.
It does.
It smells better now. I'm okay
It
with
smells
it.
like
It's
a
mixed with the veggies.
Chinese restaurant.
Alright.
That
It's
stuff.
not.
Wait, so we're all gonna put our sauce
Yeah.
in first, and then
Then we'll eat.
Wait, we can't
Right?
try that right now?
That's what we're doing. Alright.
I
No!
want to try right now.
No. Don't ruin yourself yet.
I didn't mess up earlier.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, you don't have
Scoot
to
them all over. I
draw.
don't have to draw anything.
What if we all got 6?
I hope you do.
No, I'm not. Am I going right now? I'll wait for you to do it. 1, 2,
that was like 5.
5.
Yeah, that did come off.
Don't get it in your eyes.
That stuff's
beginning,
fine.
You only need 1.
That's the first. You can do a little more than that. Here you go.
Might as well go all out. I got all 6 of them.
Yum.
This stuff's crazy.
That stuff isn't even orange.
No, it's not.
Have your dad explain this.
What does it smell like?
So wait, he's at a serious
That's
disadvantage
like a
here.
death drop.
Yeah.
Oh my
Well,
God.
that's where the
Wait,
dice
what's wrong?
comes in.
They put it in a friend's taco.
Yeah. We didn't tell him.
I'm
And then
sweating from smelling it.
He was ruined the rest of the night.
Not fun.
It's not fun. 1, 2, 3.
That smells like nothing.
Liar. That stuff's good.
I put this on everything.
I've actually tried that stuff on eggs.
That's funny.
and
That's
it's
what I was saying
actually,
the commercial.
Yeah.
it's good. I'm not going to. Do I have to go next?
You're going next.
You're not eating it yet.
That's possible.
No. Oh, I'm so scared right now.
Draw. Or roll.
No!
5. So pick
You might as well just pick one, and that'll be the one that you don't.
Oh, okay.
No.
That's not how it works.
Okay.
She knew that one because she picked that one up earlier.
Sorry.
Right.
That's the hottest one.
I really want to try it right now. Yours was delicious.
Close your eyes, Gracie. Pick one.
Oh. Frank's Red Hot. Oh, nice. The one that's not as spicy is the one I don't have to put in.
And then
No.
That's how.
Oh,
two
that's how
work.
you're gonna do it?
Well, if you get 5, you might as well, instead of picking 5 pieces of paper, you just pick the one that you don't put in.
Alright, I'll get this one over with. This one is Dave's Insanity Gold sauce.
Yes. And you have to hold it upside down for 3 seconds. That's what we went for. Right?
Not upside down.
Oh!
Alright, that's enough of that
Shoot! No! Take some out! Take some out!
No, too late.
Grab a spoon.
Yeah.
That was way too much.
Oh, show us that.
Thank you. That's good.
It's still gonna burn your butthole.
What?
You're done for. You're donezo, kid.
That one doesn't come out. It's just that other one.
That's too fast. They just set you up for that.
They set you up for death?
Can I use some? This stuff sucks.
I like this though. That's what we put on our.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's too spicy.
I like it.
Gracie.
It's.
That stuff's hot too.
We could have been nice and not let her have to do anything else since she dumped a lot of insanity.
Yeah, but
No.
When have we ever been nice to
But
Gracie?
them's the rules.
Q dog, you're up.
Ew. You know?
Cute dog.
Qdoba dog.
Qdoba.
I want to try it right now.
No, you have to wait.
You gotta let it marinate.
That's
3.
Hopefully I get
one.
That one.
Mine doesn't smell any different.
mine was bad. It's not
We use
funny.
it in a hot sauce.
I'm sweating just because of the smells.
Hot pepper flakes
Huh?
and Dave's Insanity sauce.
Ha!
Well, get him in there.
I ain't scared.
Oh.
Fold back up. Ethan's got a draw.
That's a lot.
5. That's the food.
What? This
Ethan got a 5.
Thanks for hot. I want you that.
That's the one I picked. For not
Alright, Ethan gets them all but the Franks.
Hand him over to him.
I like Frank's Red Hot though. It
Size
smells
by
amazing.
drip in?
Mm-hmm. No, 3.
Yeah, 3 drips of that.
Not 3 tablespoons.
You're right.
Like me.
I can't believe you tipped it like that.
I didn't mean to.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you got 4.
4 for good.
I feel like I've seen some sort of like SpongeBob episode, and it was something with hot sauce.
At least
and it was
everybody
like,
got the Insanity.
Yeah.
That's the main one.
Oh, you guys all did, didn't you?
My palms are sweaty.
chicken. What's up with that?
You tried it?
No, it's just
You guys are done.
It's
I
not
can get all these spices out of the way.
I'm so nervous. I don't want to do it. I can't do it.
This one looks gross. It looks like blood.
That sounds.
Wait, I have to eat this whole
It's
thing.
habanero.
I have to eat this whole thing.
That's
To
the
win.
goal. This loser has to stick
It's
outside
hot
tonight.
just to begin with.
I don't
Like-
live here.
Oh, you're staying here tonight.
Yeah.
After you eat that, you won't be able to drive.
It's upon your butthole, nuisance.
All right.
That sounds like Stewie Griffin.
Oh, it smells even worse now.
Yeah.
Oh.
And are we about ready?
No.
This
No.
looks so bad.
Look at all the juice in there. You gotta drink that too.
No.
Put it in mine.
All right, I'm ready.
Do
Ready?
we have to drink the juice too?
Yes.
No.
Why not?
Go.
That's right. It's on my fork.
Holy crap!
Hold on.
Don't touch your face.
No, I quit.
No, you gotta keep going.
It's really hot.
That's what.
You gotta at least try.
You got the hiccups already. Your face is so red.
Got the
Quinton.
hiccups.
Quinton,
Big
your,
face.
What?
your eyes are bloodshot. One more bite, Gracie.
No.
Is yours hot, Jason?
Oh no, Mom, it tastes great.
Quinton's winning.
What about water?
Drink a sip of milk.
Can you drink it and then keep going?
You can't drink your milk while you're doing it.
Oh my god.
Quinton's
one
foot's
bite?
shaking.
I can't take any more bites.
How are those hiccups?
Dang, bro.
It burns so bad.
One more bite, Gracie.
No,
You get tired towards the bottom.
I cannot.
Quinton, how are you doing? I did say in our vlog
Can I take a
yesterday
tiny sip?
who I thought would be the winner.
You're done.
I'm not done.
Then
Then
you
take
can't-
another bite.
Take a bite.
I can't.
Then
I
drink your
cannot.
milk.
It's like almost like it stings. It's just numbing my mouth.
Like there's bees in your mouth.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it hurts.
Oh,
It's on
I
your
ain't
face,
scared.
it's on your cheek.
Oh, Quinton.
It's giving me the shakes. Oh,
What do you have in yours? All of it, don't you?
no.
That is so bad.
Quinton is the winner.
Yeah.
Are you
That's
serious?
crazy.
You have pepperoni. It still burns.
Let's see Quinton's face. Close up.
He burned them hiccups.
Your eyes are red.
Are they really? Oh my god. No.
You took one bite.
Yeah, you want to take a bite of mine? Take a bite. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, you did dump a whole gallon of it. I don't know, Quinton's face. Quinton did the right thing though. Get it over with.
Oh yeah, don't savor the flavor.
Oh, Jason, you're doing pretty good. Oh, I'm in trouble.
Guys, the milk isn't helping.
You can't just chug it. You have to let it sit in your mouth.
You know what is helping?
Shut up.
That's so
I was smart.
Is it helping?
I'm making the milk.
Are you done? Well,
You're almost there.
I know.
chant. Jason.
All the
Go, 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 go.
Why do people put this in their bodies?
To clean you out. I'm glad Quinton don't live here because my toilet would explode. You okay,
It
Quinton?
hurts so bad.
Quinton, are you sweating?
Oh, you think we're not? Can I have more milk, please?
We're out.
Go get the sour cream.
Ice cream. It's still burning. I haven't even taken 2 bites.
You're hurting my ears.
There's Quinton's milk. I forgot. You don't want it.
Yeah, I do. It's mine. Can't have it.
Woo!
Should I take one more bite? Give me Quinton's milk and I'll take another bite. Are you serious?
Oh, your dad didn't drink his milk. He's gonna. Anybody need enough tissue?
But your lips feel swollen.
They look at it.
Yeah, they
I
do.
don't.
It feels swollen.
It's still
Burning
burning.
all the way around.
Rachel, if you're watching this, and Melanie,
Oh
if
my
you're
God.
watching this, do not kiss Quinton for a while.
It's still burning so bad. I need a tissue.
I ate a little bit of mine.
Oh.
Melanie's doomed too
Milk
tonight. Well,
Oh, that makes the milk taste gross. I can tell you that.
why do we do this stuff?
Oh.
Nothing is helping. At all.
Is it really that bad?
Yes.
I think the milk's helping a little bit.
But she has a lot of insanity.
I just want to dip my lips into it though.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have any ice cream or something?
Oh.
You're a liar.
Cold? It doesn't help, I heard. Oh, you're so exaggerated.
Yeah, here, Mom, take a bite.
No way, I wasn't gonna try.
Oh!
Mom. Just one bite.
One noodle.
Dip
one
your
noodle.
finger in it.
Take one bite. You don't smell it. Take a bite. You get some of that juice in there.
Yeah, you have to take a bite. No!
What is this?
That's not even a bite.
Ew.
Thanks, I was gonna try and have another bite.
Not now. She's running into the back.
One noodle, guys. One noodle. Oh, now you're getting the ice cream!
Why are you so
I'm
loud?
trying to go to the other gallon. Actually, not.
Yeah, we're out of milk.
That's hot. I didn't even chew it. Are you guys okay?
No!
My lips hurt so bad.
I'm fine.
I'm getting better, but
I'm
that's
not.
right here.
My
That's
lips.
that word.
Right in the corners, all around here.
Does anyone need more milk?
Yeah. Alright, now do the milk challenge. Drink a whole gallon.
The milk challenge. All right. Well, that's a wrap. Quinton, you're the winner. Then
I
Jason.
don't want to try mine.
Jason, I think your lips really are swollen because you have small lips and they're big. For
You
you.
got luscious lips now?
I should have done it because I have pretty big lips. I could have been like
You guys
really
put
big
some
lips.
Put some of that Dave's insanity on there.
That's really bad.
Gracie's had to bend over. I mean, I had all 6,
Try a bite of it.
but no.
I'm just getting better. No.
Okay, so that is all for our hot and spicy noodle challenge. Quinton was the winner, then Jason. Everybody seems a little ill looking
I
now.
think I was the winner because I had the spiciest one.
We were tagged in this, as Gracie said, by JustLikeAli. Thank you for tagging us in this challenge.
No.
And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, click that subscribe button. Please click the bell to get notifications every time we are on, so you can see when we do challenges just like this. We also do daily vlogs. And I don't think I'm going to tag anybody, but I am going to tell Rachel and Melanie, you two need to come over and do this challenge together. Quinton and Ethan think so.
That wasn't my idea.
They don't want to get in trouble. No. Anyways, you're not held to it, but it'd be fun to see. Anyway, so you guys have a great night, and we will see you guys tomorrow. And remember, always look on the bright side.